Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the IIM Simroot, how the campus is, how the placements are, what kind of students are coming at the campus, so complete details about the IIM Sirmur. Yep, so we'll start with the first part, which is the batch profile. So batch detail here we are. Engineers are 78% of the batch, commerce 11%, BBA 8%, science 4%, and arts 1%. Yeah, so it's a quite a good breakup for engineer, non-engineer as compared to other IIMs. Average work ex is 24 months. It's a good size of work ex at a college. But now this is true for all the new IIMs. See, if a fresher is getting the new main IIM, he'll take it. But if a fresher is getting a new IIMs, he can wait for 1 year. Yep. So from that point of view, a lot of people are talking about will take this thing. That's why the average work ex goes up. Yeah, because if you can't repeat, you have to take the college. Male-female ratio 48:15, which is again a very good number as compared to the other IIMs. And work experience by fresher 32%, 1 to 24 months of work ex 15%, 25 to 36 26, and 36 plus 27%. Now this is why the average age have gone up, because a lot of people, 27% of the batch, have more than 36 months of work ex. So with that kind of profile, there can be two reasons for that. One, I already talked about, the freshers are not willing to join a college which is new. Number two reason can be they're intentionally taking up a batch with a more work ex so that they are able to place the batch easily, because the college is new. So placing the students can be an issue. So that's why they might be taking a older batch. That could be both of the reasons. Any of the reason can be there. So look at the placement. Highest package of the college is 16 lakhs. Top 10% of the batch is earning 14 lakh package. Top 25% of the batch is earning 12 lakh package, and top 50% of the batch is earning 10.8 lakh package. Yeah, total 63 companies turned up. Median salary is 9 lakhs and average is 9.2 lakhs. Yeah. Student with multiple offer 11, batch size 63. Now एवरेज सैलरी 9.3 9.2, ये सुनते ही आधी जनता वीडियो बंद कर देगा, नहीं अरे जाना ही नहीं यहाँ पे. So obviously if you are going to IIM ABC, you will not look at this college. Obviously this college is not as great as compared to IIM ABC. Yeah, so but obviously is compared to the other colleges, it makes sense to go there. Now I would rank this college at par with any of the other B schools of SIMB, yeah, SIB, SIOM, fine, all those colleges. Any college which have an average salary of around 10 to 12 lakhs. See, this is a new batch. This college started in 2015 and it's mentored by IIM Lucknow. All the faculty, everything is coming from IIM Lucknow. The placement is not common, obviously, with Lucknow. That's why the average salary we're looking at here is less. But give this college some time, this graph will go up. Yeah. Now, you cannot compare with the Chhota Mota college, but I would compare with this IMT Ghaziabad and IMI. You can easily compare this college with all these things. Yeah, because average salary is going to be same, almost same, at par with these colleges. Let's look at the stats, the sector wise, which sector they got placement in. Maximum number of people have got through is banking sector. Yep, 10 people have got through the banking, 9 people have got through consulting, e-commerce 2, education industry 9 again, healthcare 5, infrastructure 1, IT analytics 6, logistics 5, manufacturing 8, and telecom 1. That's a breakaway. So 9 people have got into consulting, 8 into the banking finance. So this shows the kind of where people have gone to. Function wise breakup: consulting 7%, finance 3%, general management 38%, IT 9, operations 12, sales and marketing roles 31% batch. Yes, so average salary today is 9, but this is 2019 ka graph. Yeah, 2020, 2021, 2022. So the girl whom I've interviewed, I've just taken her interview. By the time she'll be passing out, average salary of the college will be touching 12 lakhs. Yeah, so average salary of the college will get around 12 lakh. That's what I can do. So what do you think about the college? Please do comment. Obviously, don't compare it. This is a Bekar college when it comes to IIM Ahmedabad. Yeah, obviously, if you compare with the main IIMs with IIM Ahmedabad, this college is bad. But obviously, if you compare to the other colleges, non-IIMs, this college is good. Yep, I would say give it 2-3 more years, this college will be rocking. Now the college is also getting their own campus. In 2014, they will promise a new campus in a 210-acre place. Yeah, 210-acre place college campus is coming up. So obviously, it's gonna be a state-of-the-art infrastructure once it is there. So I'm assuming the board is there. This is the area which have been earmarked for the college. Yeah, so this is the landmark of the college. So future obviously is bright. Construction of the permanent campus is planned in 3 phases that we can see here. Yeah, on 2019, March 6, 19, the MOU was signed with the public department for starting the phase 1 for including the boys hostel, girls hostel, all the things. Alright, so once everything is set up, once the faculty building, computer department, virtual learning audio center, central library, audio auditorium and conference center, MDP, administrative department, engineering workshop, incubation center, guest house, health club, all these things once they come up, I think the college is going to be rocking. Yeah, so don't worry about that. So today the average is 9, but don't worry, by the time you will be passing out, the average salary will increase at the campus. Yep. So do let me know how you feel in the description box about this new campus. I would love to know from you. All the best.